evening, sir. My name is Hannah Stephanie Bongator, a BSND student in the University of Bohol. So, I am here to conduct an interview about in nutrition education. So, sir, willing ra ba ka mo be my client for the interview? Yes.
Sure.
So, kay nisugot man ka, sir. So, to protect your identity, ako siyang i-hide. Although magamat ang video, but I will hide it through ako ba i-blur imong face. Pero if that's okay nimo na ipakita imong face or mas ganahan ka na i-blur na lang. So what is your preference?
Okay lang ko. Basta kay safe ko.
Yeah, okay. So sige, thank you kayo, sir, sa magsugod na tag-interview. Kaya lang, unsay name nimo, sir?
Then may Grego Dasinyas.
Imong current address karon, imong current address.
Pilay Street, Barangay Camagayan, Cebu City.
Imong number, sir, imong contact number.
49603 846 398.
Pila edad nimo, sir? Imong age.
26.
26 birthday.
July 11, 1997.
Civil status, married, single, or widow.
Complicated. Single.
Male. Kabukas imong height, sir?
Oh,
Pila man?
172
107
centimeter.
cm. Weight.
78 kilograms.
Sige, ang next unta na mo question ay nato na question, sir, is about sa imong biological. So, which is ang first imong dietary intake. So, mangutan nako unsa ang pagkaon na usually nimo ginakaon?
Isda.
Unsa na fish? Gi-fried or
Inula.
unsa pa? Tig rice lagi ka, sir?
Oh, 1 cup.
Mo na ni siya tig snacks ka, tubig nimo.
Alasan.
Regular ka mag-snacks.
Dili.
Kapila sa isa kadlaw?
Naiusa. Naiwala.
Once or none. Okay. So, usually imong consumption fish o rice, dili ka tig chicken, pork, or meat.
Sa mudto and hapon.
Udto or pero
Hindi.
ang food choices nimo is either fish or chicken or mag-meat ba ka?
Buntag kay fish. Mag-meet ako lunch or dinner.
Lunch or dinner. Meat. Then unsay asa ka kanunay tigkaon, sir, at home ba or sa gawas?
Sa gawas.
So dili ka tig
Wala mo kayo.
So next na question, sir, kanus what ay kanang unsa imong tigsakto ba kag oras tigkaon? Imong kanang
Yes.
like unsa orasa? Og breakfast
Sa morning kay 6 7.
6 to 7 ana AM. Nya sa lunch
11:30 to 12.
7, 12, 30 to 12. So, 11:30 to 12. Then sa dinner
6 to 7.
Next question. Sige, next is your hygiene. Sa imong hygiene, sir, unsa imong gina-practice? Like, everyday ba ka maligo or kuan? Na ba kay daily regimen na imong gisunod? Na maghugas og kamot before mo kaon, maligo, ana. What's that?
Everyday maligo and everyday manghugas og kamot before mo kaon.
Gina-practice jud na nimo, sir.
Yes. Oh, actually wala na. Hindi naman siya kinahanglan practice yan.
Yeah, sakto. Then, so, unsay rason nimo, sir, na imo ni siya ang gi-perform na hygiene? Ginaman online.
Of course, aron safety. Yeah.
Yeah,
Dayon sa
sakto.
buwan.
Sakto. So, ikaw, sir, mo tuo ba ka, sir, na kanang maintaining a good hygiene is important to you?
Yes.
Ngano man, sir? In your opinion,
Mga
lagod? In your opinion, na
mga users, mga pamaagi nga makalikay ka sa mga sakit-sakit.
Nag-take ba kag supplement, sir?
Supplements.
Yeah, tablets or any form of vitamins.
Vitamins na na. Yes, currently na.
So, ga-take ka ron. Unsa man siya, sir? Unsa siya na klase? Unsa siya na variant? If any na pwede sindan na.
Sa balik. Para kuan? Pang palimpyo sa lawas man siguro ni.
Yeah. Cleansing. If na brand, sir, unsa siya na brand?
Sakto ba? Herbalife ang brand?
Yeah.
No?
Oo. Maura na siya,
Yeah,
sir.
that's it.
So, asa man mo siya nakuha, sir?
Kuan? Through online store.
Online consult. So, like online consultation something ana, sir. Unsay ma-feel nimo, sir, if moinom ka ana, sir?
Yan akong paminaw.
And then, unsay maka-dispose lagi ka, sir?
Oh,
Like regular basis, like kaduha sa isa ka adlaw or katulo sa isa ka adlaw?
regular.
3, 5. So giunsa nimo pag-take ang supplement, sir? Imo through tablet siya, no? So kapila nimo siya imnon sa isa ka adlaw?
Rice.
Okay. So next, sir, is imong smoking consumption. Di ba manigarilyo ka, sir, no?
Dili. Yes. Yay.
So unsay reason na manigarilyo ka, sir? Major reason why do you smoke?
Wala lang. Suya.
Ha?
Suya.
So yeah, I like kuan sa barkada. Pero usually mo smoke lagi ka, sir? Like on a regular basis kapila ka mo smoke?
Like, dili constant. Like, sa kadlaw wala. Sa kadlaw na 2, 3. 5.
adlaw na wala, pero na adlaw na kuan. Silbi skeptical siya na type, pero kuan. So when is your kanang makaingon jud ka na ma-trigger imong pagka-smoker, sir?
Pag may barkada nga mag-smoke sa
Friends. Maura, sir. So last is so sa una pa, sir, di jud ka panigarilyo. So nagalgal ra ka
dili.
even sa imong family. So kani, sir, pangot kaan, as a smoker, how does smoking influence your health?
Ako ba? Siguro.
Paghuba. Next is imuhang alcohol. Sunod na question is when ka usually mo drink og alcohol? On a regular basis ba? Sundays or weekends or depende sa gana? Occasionally. Like kanus sir?
Kung meron mga events,
Birthdays. Pero like
birthdays.
pero regularly sa usa ka semana, like kapila ka mo inom?
Siguro once a week.
So if mo inom ka, sir, asa nimo usually siya gina-consume? Ari ba sa asa nimo siya regular gig ay kanang tig-ino ay mo inom madyo ka once a week. So asa nimo siya usually ma-consume? Ara ba sa gawas, ara ba at home, or any location or sa family? Ha?
Sa gawas.
Gawas sa imong stayhan. So, unsay reason na mo inom ka, sir? Like, why do you tend to drink the most? Out of lingaw-lingaw lang or out of naaba ka?
Lingaw-lingaw.
So, out of any ko answer, ngano imong gi-choose na mo drink og alcohol na other a lot of beverages man then alcohol imong gipili?
Ganahan ako.
So, same question lang yapon sa smoking, sir. So, how does alcohol consumption affect your daily life?
What? But
next question, sir, is about sa socio-economic nimo, which is imong family. So, what is the structure sa imong family, sir? Di ba? Dili pa man ka married. So, sa inyong family, pila mo kabuok?
7.
7 including na imong parents. But wala mo like lola nagpuyo sa inyo ha, silbi ka mo ray nagpuyo sa inyong balay.
Wala.
So dili mo
Nay, akong uyuan pero wala siya nagpuyo sa mga mother dito pagkaon.
Okay. So same gapon 7 gapon mo including your parents. So,
Uh,
where does your family live, sir?
hmm?
Asa imong parents nagpuyo?
Sa balay, sa Negros.
So, when do you typically spend time with your family?
Special occasions. Birthdays.
Okay,
Anniversaries.
so, birthdays, anniversaries. Anniversaries. So, sunod na question, sir, is about your occupation or imong work. What is your occupation, sir?
Public servant.
So, where do you work?
So, Cebu.
Cebu. So, sir, when do you usually start or finish your work? Like, unsa siya, sir? Like, kuan siya 8 a.m. work ba? Nya mahuman o 5 p.m. So, unsa imong work time, sir? Start to finish.
I started at 8 a.m. and I finish at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. in the morning, so 24 hours.
Yeah.
So, the question is, why did you choose your current job? Is that a choice or is that an option?
Choice.
Choice.
Because I do believe PNP is being a public servant is a noble occupation.
Thank you for that, sir. So, next question, sir, is about your physical activity. So, what physical activities do you engage in regularly? Like, unsa na exercises imong
Walking.
gibuhat or activities ra good, like maglakaw ra ba ka pa dong sa imong work, magbarog ba ka sa imong trabaho, ing ana.
Yeah.
So, unsa ato?
Magbarog sa trabaho.
Like, pila ka hours? Pila ka hours ka
3 to 5
magbarog?
hours.
Ha?
3 to 6 hours.
6 hours. Then, unsa pa, sir, aside anang magbarog, sir? Like, kanabit daw nalihok na yung imong body bisan pag na nagtrabaho ka.
Siyempre, maglakaw-lakaw kay mag-roping.
Okay. Moving. Same ra po, sir, during your work hours. So, take exercise, pero take exercise lagi ka, sir. Or you do sports. So, ang next question, sir, is where do you usually exercise if you do exercise? Asa ka tag-exercisean, unsa na sports?
Basketball dayon. Asa mag-exercise like mag-jog along the streets, along the highway.
Basketball, then jogging sa highway. Yeah. Okay. So, kanina question, sir, when do you find time for physical activities? During your off days ba or during your spare time? Off days nimo?
Your rest days.
Days or your rest days?
Oh.
So, why do you prioritize physical activity in your routine?
Why
Yeah,
do I
why?
prioritize?
Why do you prioritize?
Ano ko na prioritize?
Pero you engage ay kanang imo man siyang gisalot sa imong kanang lifestyle, so silbi kuan imo gapon siyang gihatag value. So rephrase na lang nato ang question. So, why do you value having a physical activity routine in your life? na lang. Di na lang nato i-rephrase na lang ang question. How did you value? Nganong nag-engage kag
Ganun
physical
yung butal ko,
activity? Ha?
Para po, ma-healthy ang lawas.
Excuse me. Healthy, yeah.
At least daw
Nice idea.
mag-burn.
Then next question, sir, is
Ha?
tingkatulog palagi ka.
Matulog pa dahil?
Aw, na day.
Oo.
So,
Matulog eh.
oh. So, what is your typical sleep schedule? Okay, lagabiin na ra ba, sir? Bisan tingkatog na ron nimo.
10 to 6.
6 a.m. 10 p.m. to 6. So when do you find it easeful to fall asleep? So, ara ba sa inyong balay or anywhere ba ka makatulog? Makatugra ba ka sa bangko? Makatugra ba ka sa ano? Anywhere which is basta comfortable lang ka.
Exactly.
Anywhere basta comfortable. Okay, how does your sleeping pattern affect your daily functioning? So, as a public servant, ang imong sleeping pattern is 10 to 6. So, how does it affects you during your work time? Kay, di ba, 24 hours man ka magtrabaho. So, how does it affects you?
Siyempre kung magtrabaho din ako makatulog 10 to 6.
Ay, yeah. Pero, how does it
Wala
affects
nang
you man
tulog-tulog.
if sakto kang tulog?
Kuan.
Does your imong body ba mo function ba og well na kanang kuan kanang
Productive.
productive siya. Sakto. So if if makatulog kag sakto, so imong work is productive.
Mas productive.
Yeah, okay. So next, sir, is ang question is stress management. Basta na stress na kanako sila.
Ha?
Ang next na question is about stress management. How do you okay. First question is, what are your typical stressors? Mga
Work.
naka-stress nimo, sir, unsa may naka-stress imong work?
Yeah, work.
Unsa pa, sir?
Wala na.
Yeah. Work. Next question, sir. When do you find yourself feeling the most overwhelmed? Kanang happy ka? Kay, this is stress na management. Wala man tayo deal sa mga puro stress nimo. Mag-deal ta sa makaangin na ma-uplift bitaw ka na murag makuhaan mong
Pag
ka-stress.
na-fulfill ang kanang
unsa?
trabaho.
Fulfillment sa imong work, unsa pa?
Kompleto ang CDP-CFP.
Ha? Unsa pa?
So far, wala man siguro.
Fulfillment sa work. Kanang makabakasyon ka, sir, usama po na siya sa makapawa sa stress. Is it includes na mas mawa mo stress na gabakasyon ka or additional stress siya?
Additional stress. Wala po ako sa bakasyon, ma'am.
I like makauli kas inyo ha, nga na bitaw.
Open.
So including niya sa sir ka na makauli kas inyo ha, di ba? Kay reside man ka sa Cebu right now. Then yung family is nasa Negros. So ma-overwhelm ba ka na makakita kanila?
Yes.
So ang mga maka-find ka na ma-overwhelm ka is fulfillment sa work nimo, then imong family.
Yes.
So sir, why do you think you experience stress?
Because I am a human.
Beside ano,
Ah.
sir?
Okay.
Stress is kuan man gud siya.
Stress.
Is part of our life. So,
Oo, gani.
yeah. So dili man nato siya malikayan even though if
Yun naman.
oh, bisan pag milyonaryo na ta, di na malikayan. Kay stress is part of our life. Kinaon na siya sa tong hormones. So, pero usually, unsa jud ang reason na maka-experience kag stress? Ikaw as a imong opinion, like why do you think you experience stress? For me, tungod kay na problema siguro yung ana. Or we tend to overthink manggod. So, sa imo sir, unsa imo ha?
I tend to overthink. Kung na encounter ko stress.
Ayan. O sa sad kwarta. No.
O kana.
Think and money. Which is the number one stressor. So, in those times, sir, how do you cope up with your stress? Unsa imong ginabuhat para ma-relax ka or ginabuhat para ma-release ni imong stress?
Matulog. Matagay.
Sleep, drink. So,
Overthink na pagbalik.
So, na ako question, sir, pero wala man ako siya gibutang sa questionnaire na akong gihatag nimo. But, do you still have, sir, na ba kay mga scenario, sir, na naa kay gusto i-change imong life, but kanang nibalik kag relapse in terms sa imong food or imong behavior sa pagkaon, untay sa way mo smoke ka, then nakaagi ba ka na ni smoke ka, then naka-realize ka na kanang di na it's unhealthy nimo, then ang nahitabo you ni undergo ka na imo nang gi-prepare imo self na mundang ka ni kasulay ba ka na, sir?
Yes.
Sa smoking or siya na aspect or sa pag drink og alcohol? Kay I know it's part mo sa mga sa smoking siya. So, pero did try ka, sir, na ma-stop nimo siya or did you do something?
Oo.
So, like, pila siya ka days, sir, or pila ka months? Kay, although, di man jud slowly man jud na. So, unsa imong action na gibuhat? You smoke a little bit of everything na imong gi-smoke? Or, kana, mura, mo smoke lang ka o ganahan? Or mo smoke ra, kantay mo smoke, first day, mo smoke ra ba ka og 1 stick, then, mo na hinayon, mo smoke og 5 stick, then imong hinahinayon og kanang kuan. Basta ni nakasuway ka na, sir, na imo siyang gi-try og stop na habit. Ay like na kuan. Okay. Thank you kay sa time na imong gihatag, sir, para sa kani interview, sir. Kanang hatagan na kanog update sa akong nag-gather na data. Nya, daghan kay salamat sa time na imong gihatag, sir. For the conclusion, first question is distinguish the food habits, food behavior, and food patterns of your client. So my client food habit is he eats outside his place. He's renting a home or a apartment in Cebu, so he choose to eat outside. So food behavior, he choose to eat rice. He choose to eat protein rich food. He choose to eat fish, and sometimes he eat meat. Sometimes he choose to eat meat, and his food pattern is he eat in the right time. He eats in the morning, afternoon, and in the evening. But he tend to have snacks during his long hours because he is a public servant. He usually work 24 hours a day and stand 24 hours a day. So he includes that his food behavior is influenced because of what is found in his place. we know that in a city setting, food is usually the fried, we call it, if they tend to call it mga dried food, mga pinirito. So he usually choose that one sometimes, and sometimes he choose to eat wet food, mga tinola na manok. So number 2, how did you convince your client for that your personal action plan could help him bringing behavior change? So I convinced him because of what had happened to him during his medical exam, and he was enlightened about what I told him about how important nutrition is, and he is willing to try changing his behavior, because he needs to be fit in order to support his family, and in order to be in order to serve the people, serve the people more, or help the people more. So number 3, what are the ways to reduce resistance to change problem in promoting behavioral change? So if you want to change your client's behavior, there are a lot of ways, but the best way is to empathize them, to understand their problem, because a lot of people doesn't really understand the main problem. And if you try to put your shoes in their situation, you can understand why they are having this resistance in changing problems. For example, my client has a problem because he is hypertensive and he smokes, and I asked him why does he smoke, and the reason is he smoked because of peer pressure. And that is one of the problem that he cannot stop smoking, because he is pressured by his peers. So I asked him what ways had he made in order to stop smoking, because he told me that he stopped for 2 months, but he relapsed again and started smoking again because of the peer pressure. So I empathize him, because it's not easy to change a behavior. It takes time, and it takes you need to have the strength in yourself that you want to change a decision, or you need to have the right decision in making this one. And that's why we are here, because we are here to support them in their decision, and we are here also to help them in order to give them guide as a nutrition educators, in order to promote a good behavioral change for themselves, for them to be better. And that ends here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next video. Bye.